Alright guys, today's challenge here is 2 liters of Pellegrino. Man, I need to go back to English 1. Today I'm gonna chug 2 liters of sparkling mineral water. Originally I wasn't gonna film a video for today, but that club soda video that I've done pretty much a week ago, after I've done that video, I've been getting a lot of requests for me to chug 2 liters of Pellegrino sparkling mineral water, or whatever it's called. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Apparently you guys love hearing me burp. I don't see how I haven't done this video yet. This is pretty much everywhere in every store that I go to. Make sure you guys go down below, smash the like button. You guys already know what it is. You guys just gotta always smash the like button. You guys know to spam the like buttons. 2 liters of Pellegrino sparkling mineral water. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. 3, 2, 1, let's go. That's sparkling mineral water. Second 2 liter. No burps. No burps today. Wow. There it was. That was 2 liters of this here Pellegrino sparkling mineral water. You guys already know what it is. 1 minute and I don't know how much time that took. But I think it was in 1 minute and a few seconds. Honestly, this tastes exactly like club soda. It doesn't taste that much different than club soda. I hardly even burp. I don't know how many times I burp. Comment down below if you guys know how many times I burp, because I know you guys listen for how many times I burp. I don't know, this might as well be an ASMR channel if you guys want to hear me burp. That was a challenge, I guess. That was a simple challenge. Just 2 liters of sparkling mineral water. Today's shout out goes to JoJo. I'll leave a tag right up there on the screen. Thank you guys so much for being so active. If you guys do want a shout out, make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you can be the first one to comment on the video. Also get your comment pinned and a shout out by me in the next video. Also, I'm probably going to just start doing like random shoutouts to people who are, that I see active, the most active. Make sure you guys are active. Also, giveaway coming really soon, so stay tuned for that. You guys just got to make sure you are active. So turn on post notifications. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. Road to 2,000 subscribers. Guys, we grew fast like within the past week or whatever. I think that Korean Fire video that I posted is pushing 2,000 views right now. So guys, thank you guys so much for the love on that video. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a card right up on the screen right there. That video is like almost at 2,000 views. So make sure you guys check that out if you haven't seen it. That is going to wrap it up for this video. I'm going to end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share. Subscribe if you're new. Stay lit. Always stay lit. I don't know why I'm always sweating. I need a haircut. This ring light right here is hot. It's like 100 degrees in front of this thing. Like, seriously. And we're out.